Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dotted line tab leaders in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert dotted line tabs leader in this document. Firstly, go to the page and write anything. Then go to the paragraph settings option. Then click the tabs option. Then write tabs top position 6.5. Then click the right and leaders 2. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard. And we can see we insert dot line tab leaders very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.